welcome back to yet another video. And today we are ice fishing a lake that I've been to a couple times before. It's an amazing lake. I've fished it many times. I've never been ice fishing one day in my life. And as you guys can see, we are out at Kleenburn Reservoir out here. And today we're about to pounce on some fish. And let's do it. Alright guys, got the goods. We're out on the ice. Well, we're about to be. We're at the boat launch. And first step on ice ever, Dad. We're on over here. I've never been ice fishing before, so this is going to be very interesting. Dad, you know I boated all this before, right?
Yeah. Pay attention to what the ice tells you.
I know. There's some ice fishing holes.
Be quiet so I can hear this.
Just a sec, I'm going to try right here. There's ice holes. Look at all these ice holes, guys. There's like 50 ice holes out here on the reservoir. And there's a random tree. Look at that. I've never seen that. Huh? I've never seen this before, guys. Look at that tree over there. I've never seen this.
Watch out. Follow my path. It's not even froze over. It's fresh. This is where the guy was.
Alright, guys.
You try it, and I'll search around. There's some more holes.
Alright. This is my first time ice fishing, Daddy. You excited?
Yeah.
Drop my bait down. Of course. Get sure my drag's set. He's on it. Dad, he's already on it. Stop.
Alright.
Nice fish, nice fish.
You recording it?
Oh, it's a nice one.
Easy. Don't cut your line.
Oh, it's right on the tip. Hey, Dad. Can you hatchet this one? There's more holes. Oh, here's one. Probably a better hole. Alright, guys. We're switching up. I think we're probably going to have to switch up to like a Swedish pimple spoon or something. So we'll tie on just a quick little spoon or something for you guys, so that way you guys can see me catch one fish. Nice holes that are already out. And the ice is like 10 inches thick, guys, so we're absolutely safe if you guys are wondering. These are fresh holes. Yeah.
Rainbow. All I've caught through the ice.
Yeah, what you using?
Just a little tungsten jig and a
Yeah.
little piece of worm.
Alright.
Good luck.
Yeah, I was just starting over there because we don't have an auger. I was just fishing these holes over here.
Yeah.
And against the structure.
A couple weeks ago, I was catching a lot of trout out there.
Yeah. I just found some power bait sitting on the ice, so I'm just like, yeah, let's just pack some on there. Alright, well, good luck. Do they? Yeah. Alright guys, walking on the ice. Out here fishing this reservoir. I might have a fish on, actually. But we're gonna go over here and ice fish them. But yeah, we got some fresh ice holes over here, like they're fresh. So hopefully we can. About a half hour since that time I last saw you guys, waiting for a bite. And hopefully we can catch something. Alright guys, making a move. Fished out that one spot for a while. I'm out with my dad. You got anything to say?
Tight lines, get hooked up.
Alright, I'm going to see if there's any holes by that brush pile over there. It looks pretty good. Looks like it could hold.
BassKicker Fishing rules.
Yeah, look. Looks like it could hold some trout or bass. I got a Nightcrawler on one rod, tipped with a spoon. Or he spoon tipped with a Nightcrawler. That's a fracture. Yeah, see that? See, because guys, look at this fracture right here. The ice shifts, and it causes right through that hole. We might be able to hack through that. Which ones?
See, it's froze, but they'd have to be done today. I'll fill on my little skinny ass and go for a nut.
Whew! Really? Right in the dead center of the bridge? BH? Probably BH. Let's see this, guys. Let's see. Do I see my dad's mark?
Pause. Wait for it. Pause. And it's right. Hold on. Yeah, right here. Right here.
There it is. Let's go under here. Whoa. Careful, careful, careful. Yeah, Dad, this ain't safe.
Yes, it is safe. I wouldn't have you on.
I know, I just didn't feel safe. Well, alright guys, we are officially on the other half of the reservoir.